Now, I watched a video about making gears on YouTube about 8 months ago, and some of it made sense. But I'm going to wing it. I took my discs that are pretty darn round. I got increments, and the way I did that is kind of a mix of clever and luck. So I had this cog belt that's already cut, and I wrapped it around, and it ended up landing almost perfect. So I marked every other tooth by hand, knowing that I needed bigger teeth than this. It needs to be a little bit more robust. I then extended those lines just now. Also not precision work, but I went to the center there and went and extended the mark longer. And then I spun it and traced an inside, like the deepest part of the cut. So now, this is where I'm especially winging it, but I think it should be good enough. There's a science to how the teeth actually, the profile of the teeth for less friction and better meshing. I don't know the science though, but I think I'm going to get close by taking the radius. I have to mark it in the center of the depth, so it cuts in a little and out a little, I think. I'll show you. I'll make all the marks and show you. I put a 5/16 bolt and a skateboard bearing in there to really give it a pretty good center. But anyway, there's the rough teeth markings, the bolder ones. Let's see if this actually works. I'm going to take it to the bandsaw. I am pleased with it so far. Gotta test them before I spend the time to do all of them. Holy crap. That is not bad. I bet if I space them a little bit, give them a little bit of backlash, it might work as is. Holy crap. Nice.